Program number 29. Write a program to create data series and then change the indexes of the series object in any random order. Change the index of the series in any random order. So first you take the data with the index. So this is the original index. With the original index it will display the value. Now random index with the value. So that times which function we will use? Reindex. S dot reindex. Which one? Because this series converted after converted where we store in the S. So S dot reindex, then afterwards you should mention the index name. Okay? Any random order. So O, Q and P, M I have written. Then print S1. Otherwise what you can write? S dot reindex, then index equal to this. Index equal to this. Like this also if you will write, then also it will change the index. Now run the program. See, this is the original data, original index with the values M, N, O, P, Q. Now random order O, Q, N, P, M. So listen, your value did not change. Whatever index values is given, that one will display. So that is why whenever you will take as a random index, so that time same index you will write in the any order. You cannot write it in the new index name here. Clear? So this is the program number 29.